Hey everyone, today we're making burnt caramel ice cream. This is a bold and intense tasting ice cream which is easy to whip up without an ice cream maker or eggs. To a 2-quart saucepan, add your sugar, along with salt, and caramelize this over moderate heat. Caramelize till you reach a color slightly darker than regular caramel. Just bits of black around the sides. Don't go too long or your ice cream will be bitter. Turn off the heat briefly, keep the pot lid ready, and add just a little bit of the evaporated milk. Cover immediately with the lid to prevent any violent spitting of the hot caramel. Once you see that it's safe, uncover and add in the remaining evaporated milk and return to moderate heat. Stir very quickly and briskly till the hardening caramel begins to dissolve into the milk. Continue till you get an even colored, dark caramel milk without any remaining lumps of that caramel. Simmer for 5 minutes till slightly thickening. As a flavor booster, you can also add 1/8 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. Switch off the heat and allow to cool off. Then, using a wire whisk, beat till that caramel milk turns nice and frothy. Pour this into a freezer-safe metal bowl with a tight lid. Freeze for up to 2 hours, just until the cream starts to crystallize all around the edges. At this stage, use a fork to whip up the mixture once again, scooping the crystallized parts into the center and folding it in. Set it back in the freezer. Repeat this process once or twice if time permits. Meanwhile, whip the whipping cream along with icing sugar and vanilla extract till you get stiff peaks. Remove the caramel milk and beat it one last time with the fork, loosening it a bit more this time. Pour this into the bowl of whipped cream. Next, we need to mix together the whipped cream and the chilled burnt caramel milk mixture. Use an immersion blender in the beginning to incorporate the chilled caramel mixture into the cream a bit faster, and then we can continue with electric beaters just till evenly mixed through. Don't over whip it. Pour into the metal bowl for one final time and chill overnight to set. Scoop when it's ready and serve this bold and intense burnt caramel ice cream with caramel sauce, dulce de leche, or just plain. I hope you enjoyed this quick video recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.